Let's see, AMD moving below its pre-market lows. AMD about to make new low a day here. I wonder if this 60/40 could be a spot, although it'd need an active seller. It's still very early. I wonder if it can pop back up to the 60/40 area. There's Tesla or AMD through lows. Just watching this. A little bit of pressure downwards, a little bit of selling. Wonder if it can pop back up above 60. I like this 60/40 area for the short, actually. I do like this area for the short up here at 60/40 if we get up there. Pretty close to lows. New lows, AMD. AMD through 59 here. $158 next low a day.
Amazon, Tesla.
I do like that 60/40 up here. $60/40 against $60.80, small size. $60/40 against $60.80. Let's see if it gets back up there. What else is going on? Tesla just kind of chopping around here. Not really going one way or another. PayPal. PayPal continuing to move lower. Hasn't filled the gap though. Amazon. Amazon moving slightly higher. AMD trying to pop 70s. Can it get up to above 60 and go fill me at the 60/40? Amazon. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple's kind of near lows too. And Google, what's Google doing? Google's moving higher. There we go. Look at that pickup here at the pre-market high. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And here's AMD above 60/20. Can I get 60/40s here? Got it there. Short AMD. Average price is 60/42. Google's on highs. Just watching this AMD. I want to see it go back underneath 60 pretty quickly here. Let's watch the tape. Here's 60. Can we get a flush down below 60? I'll cover half of it on a flush. A little bit of interference here right in front of 60. I'd like to see it at least go test that 60, but maybe not. Maybe I do need to be more aggressive. And Take it off before 60. Back to the 30s. Back to the 40s. Can we go test that 160 level? Yes, trying to perk up here.
Tesla.
Tesla's moving higher. Here we come back down into the 20s. Can we drop out? No. And actually heading higher here, and my stop's up at 80s. Not seeing this come in the way that I was gonna probably cover one down here. Got one off right there. I did cover one of them right there. Can it come in further? Just gonna manage this manually for the rest of it. Can we get a little bit further? 90s. There we go. Further. 80s. Can we get 80s? 70s? They're gonna cover another half here. Didn't get the full fill. Only got 10 shares it looks like. I was at 70. I did not get the full fill down there.
Tesla.
Hmm. I want to cancel that and try to get it higher. Maybe I'll get it on this attempt here. Here's the 80s. Can we get back down to the 70s? 80s? No, can't really. Yep, here's 70s. 70. Threes did not get down to 70 cents. Very close here. There we go. Got the rest of my. Here's the 60s. Still looking. Maybe we can get down to 59. Just gonna manually handle this. Wow. I think I'm gonna add on, if I can, to get another short on up here. I did not get filled up there at 23 cents. I was trying to get an add-on to put another small piece back on. I did not get it. Gonna cancel that. And all the way back up to the 40s. Wow. Was just going to come back in. So AMD a little bit wild here. I might just piece out of this last quarter of the position right here as it's not really coming in anymore. I thought it was going to go break down underneath that 60, but does not look like it. Not really seeing a breakdown here. I'm gonna just flatten it right here. I don't really like it anymore. So here it comes back down into the teens. Will it go check the other side? Well, it looks like it would. Nope, it didn't. Okay, it looks like I may have read that correctly, that there was a shift in there. So, just a small little scalp on small size in AMD, but I don't think there's a short in there anymore, at least not at this time. I'd need it to actually come down, but I do like that level. That was a pretty good level. Um, was this? 59.60s. If we get back below 159.60, I'll say back down here. And I'll probably just head off to work now and wait for other alerts to fire. Check, 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 1, 2. It is 10:56. Watching this Tesla here just cracked the pre-market lows again. And yeah, I'm wondering if up here at these 86.40s, as it drops down to lows, I don't know if it's going to get back up there though. It looks like there's an active seller in here now. Let's watch this for a little bit. Yeah, I don't think it's going to get back up to 86.40s. I think they're actively pushing it now. Yep, 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 yep. Let's watch the tape and look for a way in. So I think this is getting actively pushed now. Can we get any sort of pop? No, I don't really want to hit the lows on Tesla. New lows, Tesla. Maybe on move like this. Can it get higher? No. Can it get up a bit more above the 70s? Maybe we can get up to those 86.40s. Right here. Like 86.40s against 86.80s. Let's try. I'll go smaller size. 86.40s, 86.80s. If we can get back up there. So another point higher from where we're at now. It's been just very, very tricky last couple of days. It feels like everything's moving sideways as I look. It looks like many different names are in their pre-market range. Just everything drifting sideways. Tesla get up a little bit and pop up over 86. Back to this pre-market low area for a fill. And let me set a 185 lower day here on Tesla. So I wait. Yeah, I'm not sure that's going to get back up there. Back down. Maybe not. Nope, back down. Pennies off lows here. And about to crack lows. There's Amazon also going. I saw it heading down lower. There's Tesla, new lows. So that pop up to the 70s, the 85 70s was the best we got. But I'm not really interested in initiating down there. If we get back up here closer to this pre-market low, then I'll look for a short up there. And this Amazon,